You are managing an Azure subscription and need to implement a capability that allows for the restoration of blobs to a specific point in time within storage accounts. The storage accounts have already been configured with blob versioning and blob soft delete. You need to identify which blob category is required for this feature and the specific account level setting that must be activated to support it.
The available options for the blob category are Option A, Append, Option B, Block, and Option C, Page. The available options for the account level setting are Option D, a stored access policy, Option E, immutable blob storage, Option F, object replication, and Option G, the change feed. Consider which blob type supports this restoration capability and which account configuration is a prerequisite to enabling it.
In my view, the correct answer requires selecting Block for the blob category and the change feed for the account level setting. Point-in-time restore is a data protection feature designed specifically to restore block blobs to a previous state. For this feature to work, the storage account must be configured with versioning, soft delete, and the change feed must be enabled.
It's important to note that point-in-time restore is only supported for block blobs, excluding append or page blobs. Other options like stored access policies, immutable storage, and object replication serve different purposes and are not the prerequisites for this specific restoration functionality. When preparing for your exam, remember that the change feed is a critical dependency for tracking the changes required for this recovery process.